And the IFTA goes to the only Viking in the village.
We'd like to thank Thor and Odin and everyone who voted for us. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for Eddie Doyle, who originally commissioned the series, Bill Malone for his enthusiasm and constant support throughout the project, and the BAI for funding us. And to everyone at Mind the Gap, but especially Bill, Jennifer and Fran. We'd like to thank the amazingly talented cast and crew who worked so hard on this series, especially our director Conor Morrissey and our DOP Fergal O'Hanlon. Unfortunately, Neil Delmer can't be here tonight. He's regaling a Vicar Street audience with stories of the number of times we nearly killed him while making this series. But he worked so hard on this, he threw himself into it 100%, so a huge thank you to him. And a massive thank you to our families. To my
thank you, Dave.
Thank you to my mum and dad and to Rob.
And thank you, IFTA.
Cheers.